We have about 30 groups on standby, and we will deliver news about the Middle East war as quickly as possible. Due to Iran's drone attack, the Ras Tanura refinery in Saudi Arabia was heavily damaged, and 2 Iranian drones targeted the US embassy there. There was damage to the building, but no casualties occurred. The Patriot system failed to intercept. This is Tehran. Due to Israeli airstrikes, you can see Tehran burning. This is Tehran, Iran, specifically Rasht in Tehran. The building was leased by the Iranian Revolutionary Guard Corps. It was destroyed by the Israeli military's attack. The headquarters of the state-run broadcasting station in Tehran was completely destroyed. There was a large-scale airstrike by the Israeli military in Sanandaj, Iran. This is Bandar Abbas, where the Iranian Navy headquarters is being repaired after destruction. Iran's drone carrier has sunk, and the military is launching missiles. Iran is firing missiles across the Middle East. If you're nearby, evacuate immediately. This reflects the local situation in Iran. Countless Israeli fighter jets are performing evasive maneuvers to avoid the anti-aircraft missiles launched from Iran. The fighter jets survived. This is Lebanon. The Israeli military attacked an area near a school in Lebanon. This is Lebanon. Hezbollah's financial facility located in Lebanon was attacked by the Israeli military. It was completely destroyed. This is Beirut, Lebanon. There was a large-scale airstrike in Beirut and countless buildings were completely destroyed. This is Beirut, Lebanon. People are lining up to escape from Beirut. Bahrain is continuously intercepting Iranian missiles and has shot down 70 so far. This is Erbil, Iraq. There was a huge explosion at the US military base in Erbil, Iraq due to an Iranian attack. This is the British military base in Cyprus. An air raid warning has been issued. This is the British military base in Cyprus. A British F-35 fighter jet is taking off from Akrotiri base in Cyprus. An evacuation order has been issued at Paphos airport in Cyprus. Iranian drones are continuously attacking Cyprus. 4 F-16 fighter jets belonging to the Greek Air Force have landed in Cyprus to defend Cyprus from attacks by Iran and its regional proxies. This deployment follows this morning's drone attack and the Iranian missile strike near Cyprus 2 days ago. A drone attacked a fuel storage terminal in Abu Dhabi, UAE, causing a fire, but operations were unaffected. This is Kuwait. Here is a US military base in Kuwait. It was destroyed by an Iranian missile strike. Also, 1 Kuwaiti soldier was killed in the Iranian attack, and it is reported that 27 Kuwaiti soldiers were injured. This is Qatar. The Qatari military successfully intercepted 2 Su-24 fighter jets that were approaching Qatar. So far, the Qatari military has shot down 2 fighter jets, 39 Shahed drones, and 104 missiles. This video, uploaded by US Central Command, shows the US military striking multiple targets in Iran, causing ongoing losses for Iranian forces. The Israel Defense Forces carried out a major airstrike on Hezbollah in southern Lebanon, targeting over 70 sites such as weapons storage, launchers, and launch facilities meant for attacks on Israeli forces. US Central Command said Iran deployed 11 ships in the Gulf of Oman 2 days ago, but now none remain. The command noted Iran has harassed and attacked international ships in the Gulf of Oman for decades, then made this statement. Iran's First Lady Khamenei survived the US airstrike but was badly injured. Her condition worsened yesterday and she died. Iran's Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps announced they would fully block the Strait of Hormuz, and ship traffic there has now dropped by nearly 85%. The Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps of Iran has granted independent command authority to the regional commanders of all 31 provinces. Now, frontline commanders can independently lead and conduct operations without instructions from higher authorities. President Trump stated that we do not know who the current Iranian leadership is, and we do not know whom they will choose. He said Iran lost significant leadership in the initial attack and that the US Secretary of Defense now considers Iran's missiles no longer a threat. The secretary also urged the Iranian people to seize this remarkable opportunity. The US Chairman of the Joint Chiefs of Staff also stated that control of Iranian airspace has been completed. So far, a total of 6 US soldiers have been killed. There are 18 lightly wounded and the number is increasing. The Israeli military announced in a statement that the ongoing operation against Iran will last at least a week. China has declared its full support for Iran, and Qatar announced that President Vladimir Putin of Russia has expressed his support for them. If there is more news, I'll make and upload another video. Thanks for watching.